Today we're going to take a look at the 528 screen roller, the old style that has the plastic colored adjustment versus the new metal one. So the 528 screen rollers are attached by one screw. Each screen has a total of 4 rollers, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. To remove it, you remove the screw, and you see here's the old style with the plastic adjustment that can be colored, and here's the replacement style, which is all metal. This is the current style that we have in stock because the plastic ones, due to industry shortages, are just hard to get right now. But the all metal ones are a direct replacement. They install exactly the same. To make sure it's installed properly, you want that adjustment to fit into the hole it has for the adjustment in your screen frame. And then you screw it back down with either the screw you had, you can reuse, or you can order them with new screws if you want a new screw. Each pack of the 528s come with 2 rollers, a right and the left, and that will either do the bottom or the top of your screen. So if you want to replace all 4, you need to order 2 packs. And then you can use a flathead screwdriver to adjust the tension on the top and bottom on your screen track. And that's how you replace them. You can order these on our website in our link. Thank you.